Have you ever pondered the idea of cultivating your own herbs and vegetables indoors? Imagine the convenience of plucking fresh basil for your pasta sauce or snipping chives for your morning omelet right from your own indoor garden. Well, it's entirely feasible, and we're here to guide you through the process. Starting off with herbs, basil is a wonderful choice for indoor cultivation. It's versatile, adds a delightful aroma to your home, and thrives in well-lit environments. With proper care, your indoor basil can flourish and be a ready addition to numerous dishes. Next, consider growing parsley. This cool season herb prefers indirect sunlight and well-draining soil. It's a staple in many recipes, and having it fresh at your fingertips is a real game changer. Chives, too, are a fantastic choice. They're simple to grow indoors and can significantly enhance the flavor of salads, soups, and more. These little green wonders love bright light, so a sunny windowsill could be the perfect spot. Mint, with its refreshing taste and aroma, is another herb well-suited to indoor cultivation. Ensure it has well-draining soil and watch as it thrives, ready to grace your teas, desserts, and more. Cilantro, or coriander, is widely used in numerous cuisines. While it can be grown indoors, it's essential to provide it with plenty of light to ensure it grows healthy and flavorful. Lastly, for the herbs, there's thyme. This low-maintenance herb requires well-draining soil and moderate sunlight. It's a wonderful addition to many dishes and can add a touch of greenery to your indoor space. Now let's move on to vegetables. Compact varieties of cherry tomatoes can be grown in pots indoors. Remember to provide support for the vines as they grow, and you'll have a steady supply of these sweet treats. Lettuce, especially leafy greens like spinach and kale, can be successfully cultivated indoors. They do well in containers, and having a fresh salad at your disposal can be a rewarding experience. Bell peppers, particularly dwarf or mini varieties, are another excellent choice for indoor gardening. They need plenty of sunlight, so placement is key. Radishes are a fast-growing option that doesn't require a lot of space. Perfect for container gardening, these crunchy bites can be a delightful addition to your meals. Carrots, especially smaller varieties, are a good choice for indoor gardening. Just remember to choose a pot deep enough for the carrots to grow. Finally, consider growing scallions, or green onions. They're easy to cultivate in containers, and you can continually harvest the green tops for a steady supply. Remember, when cultivating indoors, it's crucial to provide adequate light for your plants. If natural sunlight is limited, consider using grow lights. Choose well-draining soil and appropriately sized containers for your herbs and vegetables. Regularly monitor and adjust watering to meet the specific needs of each plant. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to growing your own indoor garden. It's a practical and rewarding way to have fresh produce year-round, right at your fingertips. Happy gardening!